Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are trying to choose between the Cozyla calendar and the Skylight calendar, you are not alone. Both of these are popular smart family calendars, but they offer different experiences. So in this video, let's compare them side by side. So first of all, let's talk about the design and the display. So when we talk about the display, both the devices feature you the large touchscreen that makes it very easy for you to view the schedules from across the room. Skylight Calendar focuses on the simplicity with a clean interface that is designed specifically for the family organization. Cozyla Calendar, on the other hand, functions more like a smart tablet, giving you additional flexibility beyond calendar management. Then, for scheduling, both supports shared family calendars and sync with popular calendar services. When we talk about Skylight, it stands out with its user-friendly layout, chore charts, meal planning tools, and family-focused features that require very little setup. Cozyla offer more customization and supports additional Android applications that makes it useful for the users who want entertainment, productivity, and calendar functions on a single device. Now, when we talk about ease of value, so if ease of value is your top priority, Skylight has the advantage in this particular feature. The interface is designed specifically for the families and it is very easy for household members to understand this. So if you prefer flexibility and you want a device that can do more than just family scheduling, then Cozyla provides more functionality and customization options. So you can go with Skylight Calendar if you want dedicated family organization hub with simplest experience. You can choose Cozyla Calendar if you want a more versatile smart display that combines family planning with additional apps and features. So I hope this comparison helped you out. Thanks for watching.